How to solve linear equations problem in PhotoMath app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After you've installed the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. You don't need to sign up or log into your account. When you launch the app, it will directly open up the camera for you. From here, you can directly capture the mathematical problems that you want to solve. In order to solve the linear equations through this app, when you open the app, you can directly capture the linear equations problem that you want to solve. You need to frame the problem within this camera's view. For example, I've listed some linear equation problems. I will simply scan that problem. I will capture that problem within this frame. And after that, I will just take a picture of it. And it will come up with the solutions instantly. If you scroll down, it will have the detailed solution of it. If you want to see the step-by-step solutions, you can simply tap on the Show Solving Steps button, and it will provide you the solution along with the step-by-step guide. If you want the further explanation of any step, you can simply tap on it, and it will further explain it. So that's how we can easily solve the linear equations problem in PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.